Hello guys, welcome back to TechDose, and in this video we will see, given some coordinate points, we want to check if they all form a straight line or not. So this is from LeetCode day 8 of the May challenge. So let us now look at the problem statement. The problem says that you are given an array coordinates. So each coordinate I is having 2 points x, y, which are basically the x coordinate and the y coordinates. Now check if these points make a straight line in the xy plane. So let us look at some constraints which are very important for solving this problem. So the first constraint, you can see that we have minimum of 2 points and maximum of 1000 points. And this fourth constraint is important, that is coordinates contains no duplicate points. And the second and third constraints are, the second one says we will basically be having 2 values for each of the points which are x and y coordinates. And this third point is saying that we will have values in the range of minus 10 to the power 4 to 10 to the power 4. So I hope you got the problem now. So let us now look at how to solve this problem. Now if we are given 2 points, let's say a comma b, then in order to find the slope between these 2 points, what we need to do is we need to find the tan theta. In this case it is bx by ax, which is perpendicular by base, and the distance of bx will be y2 minus y1, because the x coordinate of both of them are basically the same, since this line bx is parallel to this y-axis, and similarly this ax is parallel to x-axis. Therefore the point distance between a and x will be x2 minus x1. So that is why if we divide this perpendicular by base, then slope will come out to be y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So if you have many points in a straight line, then basically they will be having the same slope value. So using this condition, you can verify whether all the coordinates forms a straight line path or not. So in the question you were guaranteed to have greater than equals to 2 points. So let us assume that we have 3 points. So what we need to do is we will just find the slope for the first 2 points. So what will be the slope? It will be y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. And then using this slope we will iterate for other points. We will start iterating from the third point, and then we will keep calculating the slope using the previous point. And if this slope is not equals to the pre-calculated slope, then we will return there saying that we cannot have a straight line. So this is a very simple solution, and this will work because we do not have duplicate points in our question. But then if we have, let's say, duplicate points, that is same point is given x comma y and again x comma y is given. So what can happen? Actually if you write the slope for this, then it will be y minus y by x minus x. Or there can be other values, like if x coordinates are same, then you will have a problem of division by 0. So how do we avoid this problem? In order to avoid this problem, we can just reformulate this formula so that we don't have to care about division. So if you reformulate this, then how can you write? You can write it as y2 minus y1 multiplied by x3 minus x2 should be equals to y3 minus y2 multiplied by x2 minus x1. So if this is true, then also you can say that your points are basically having the same slope. So in this case you don't have to worry about division by 0 problem. So what we need to do is we need to find the x difference here as well as the y difference. Okay, and once you calculate the x difference and y difference, you will just fix them, and whenever you start iterating from this third point, then you will have to find the current x difference and the current y difference. Okay, so these 2 points you need to calculate every time. So whenever you keep calculating these points, you can just multiply this x difference here, x difference with the current y difference, and the current x difference with the y difference using this formula, and you can easily find out whether they are having same slope or not. So this way of verifying slope is better than the division method, and since you have n number of points, this time complexity will be order of n. So let us now look at the solution. How can we solve this? So this is the code, and you can see that we are passed the coordinates. So first of all I will find the number of points, and I will find the x difference and y difference between the first 2 points. Okay, and then I have taken current x difference and current y difference for the moving points, for the points which we will be iterating, and we will start iterating from the third point. So I equals to 2 means third point. Now we will calculate the current x difference and current y difference, and simply use the multiplication formula as we had converted using the slope formula, and if they are not equal, then we will simply return false. Otherwise, after iterating for each and every point, if we do not find any point having different slope, then finally we will return true, saying that all the points are lying in a single straight line. So I hope you were able to understand this solution. If you have any other approach or solution in different languages, then please post below so that everyone can take benefit from it. Like and share our video and subscribe to our channel in order to watch more of these programming videos. See you in our next video. Thank you.